Okay. Good morning, students. In previous class, under the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare, we were studied regarding the concept microbes in sewage treatment. Microbes in sewage treatment, and in today's class, we are going to study the next point, that is microbes in production of biogas. Microbes in production of biogas. This is also very important point. In this particular concept or in this particular point, we are going to discuss. There are some microbes which are helpful for the production of biogas, and then we are going to start discussing about the biogas. Biogas, it is a mixture of gases. Biogas, it is a mixture of gases, and in these gases predominantly that is methane. Predominantly we are going to find the methane. Predominantly we are going to get here methane. Understood? Predominantly in the sense what? Maximum, or instead of this we are going to write large amount. Large amount of methane as compared to the other gases. In the sense, biogas, it is a mixture of gases. Large amount of it contains the methane. And here I will tell you what is the mixture of these gases. In the sense, one is methane, second one is carbon dioxide, and third one is H2. Third one is H2. These are the three gases we are going to count in a methane. In that, the methane in a biogas, methane is the means predominantly we are going to find methane in a biogas. Predominantly we are going to find the methane in a biogas. And this biogas, it is produced by activity of microbes. Activity of microbes. Okay, and you all know about the things. Previously, in earlier videos we have studied there are different types of microbes which are going to produce the end product. In the sense, gaseous end product. What? The microbes are used to produce gaseous end products. What? Gaseous end product. In the sense, you have studied regarding what are the different examples are mentioned, or what the examples you have studied in a last classes. In the sense, some microbes which are going to ferment. In the sense, fermentation of dough, cheese, and cheese making and other things. That time, what is going to happen? The microbes are going to produce the end product CO2. The end product CO2. This we have studied in a first concept. Microbes are used in a household product. Microbes are used in a household product. There, we have studied the microbes are carry out the fermentation. Okay, during the formation of what we have studied here, formation of dough, cheese, and other materials. And that time, during that fermentation, they used to release or produce the gaseous end product. That gaseous end product is CO2. Okay, so this we will study. And now in today's class, what we are going to study in the sense, there are certain microbes. There are certain microbes like bacteria. Certain bacteria. Certain microbes, like certain bacteria which can grow anaerobically, which grows anaerobically. Anaerobically in the sense what? They is to grow in the absence of means what we are going to call it as a in the absence of CO2, O2, in the absence of oxygen, right? On a cellulosic material, they grow, which can grow anaerobically on cellulosic material. Cellulosic material. This is very important. Some bacteria are there which can grow anaerobically on cellulosic material to produce large amount of methane. Okay, to produce large amount of methane, and methane also with the mixing of what? Carbon dioxide and H2. Carbon dioxide and H2. Okay, and these bacteria, what I told you, here see, still possible of what else we have studied in this particular class, in the sense in particular class we have studied means we started with microbes in production of biogas. In previous classes we have studied the microbes in what? Microbes in sewage treatment, microbes used in industrial product, microbes used in what? Household product. Here in microbes in production of biogas. The biogas, it is a mixture of gases. Predominantly it consists of the methane. Biogas gases are methane, carbon dioxide and H2. This biogas is produced by the activity of microbes, and you all know about the what? Microbes, which are what we are going to call it as a, by the activity of those microbes, they are going to produce the end product, gaseous end product, the different kinds of gaseous end product. Why they are going to produce the different types of gaseous end product? Because it is depend upon the microbes which are going to use the means organic substrate. Which organic substrate they are going to utilize? Which organic substrate they are going to utilize? Based upon that, they are going to produce the end product, gaseous end product during their growth and metabolism. This thing you are going to know first. What I told you, I am going to read here. See, what in the sense, the different microbes are going to produce different types of gaseous end product. Depend upon means gaseous end product during their metabolic and during their metabolism and growth. And the different types of gaseous products are depend upon the different kinds of organic substrate they utilize. In the sense, simple meaning in the different kinds of microbes are used to produce different kinds of gaseous end products. Gaseous end product during their growth and metabolism, and whatever the different kinds of gaseous end products are produced, that is depend upon on which these microbes are meant. It is depend upon the microbes are used which type of organic substrate, for their growth and metabolism. Understood? So in previous classes, what we have studied? There are some microbes, okay, which are used for the preparation of dough, which are used for the preparation of breads, or which are used for the preparation of cheese. Understood? And we have studied about the what beverages, yeast and all. So there, what is going to happen? The end product is CO2. In such a way that in today's class, what we are going to discuss what we are discussing here in the sense, there are certain microbes like bacteria which grows anaerobically in the sense in the absence of O2 on cellulosic material to produce the large amount of methane, produce the large amount of methane, carbon dioxide and H2. Understood? And collectively these bacteria are called as methanogens. Methanogens. What are methanogens? Methanogens are the bacteria which grows. Methanogens are the bacteria which grows anaerobically on cellulosic material to produce large amount of methane, carbon dioxide and H2 are called as methanogens. Understood? Are called as a methanogens. Methanogens are nothing but a bacteria. Now, where you are going to find these methanogens? That is the very important question. Where you are going to find these methanogens? These methanogens and one of the common bacteria, methanogens like that, one common bacteria name main part that is what? Methanobacterium. 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 What is that? Methanobacterium. 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 This is methanogen, one of the methanogen. And methanogens in the sense what? Methanogens are the bacteria which grow anaerobically on a cellulosic material to produce the large amount of methane, carbon dioxide and H2. Now, where we are going to find such methanogens or such bacteria? These bacteria are found anaerobic sludge during the sewage treatment. Anaerobic sludge. Anaerobic sludge during the sewage treatment. Okay, during the sewage treatment. Last time we have studied. Okay, we have studied the microbes in what? Microbes in sewage treatment. There we have studied different kinds of microbes which can help us to purify the water. Purify the water. Here, these anaerobic bacteria are found anaerobic sludge during the sewage treatment. You are going to find the bacteria which can grow anaerobically. Where you are going to find these anaerobic, in the sense anaerobic sludge during the sewage treatment, and also these anaerobic bacteria are found in rumen of cattle. Rumen of cattle. R-U-M-E-N, rumen. What is the rumen? Rumen in the sense this is a part of stomach. Part of rumen is a part of stomach of a cattle. Cattle I will tell you or I will explain about this. Generally you are seeing the cattle in the sense buffalo, cow and all. Those all are having the ruminant stomach. Our stomach ruminant stomach ನಮ್ಮ stomach structure ಬೇರೆ ಐತೆ ಅವರದು ಏನು ಬಾದಂದಾಗ stomach structure ಬೇರೆ ಐತೆ because and another one thing is ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು ಅವ ಯಾವಾಗ when they are going to eat ಹರಿಲಿ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಫುಲ್ ಬಡ ಬಡ ತಿಂತಾವು ಆನಂತರ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾವು ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದಾಗ ಬಾಯಿನ ಹಿಂಗ ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಆಗ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾವು ಗಡಬಡಿ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ನಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದಾಗ ಮೌತ್ನಾಗ ಬಂದು ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೇವ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪುಶ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ರೂಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ರೂಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ನಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ದಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ರೂಮೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ರೂಮೆನ್ and in rumen these bacteria we are going to find these bacteria which can grow anaerobically on a cellulosic material. Why these bacteria are found in a rumen in the sense whatever the cattle are used to eat grasses and other materials they are rich in cellulose. They are rich in cellulose. Ee point ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರುಮೇನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಏನ್ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಏನ್ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತಾವು, ಆ ಫುಡ್ ದಾಗ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್, ಆ ಫುಡ್ ದಾಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್. ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ದೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್. ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್ ನ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. ದೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್ are going to use the cellulose for their growth and development also, and here the digestion of cellulose can take place with the help of these bacteria. In the sense, these bacteria are help for the breakdown of cellulose and plays an important role in a nutrition of cattle. Breakdown of cellulose and plays an important role in a breakdown of important role in a breakdown of cellulose and plays very important role in a nutrition of these cattle. In the sense, here what else we are studying, in the sense certain bacteria are there or certain microbes are there, they can grow anaerobically on a cellulosic material to produce the large amount of methane, carbon dioxide and H2. Collectively those bacteria are called as the methanogens. The common bacteria which are mentioned in your book, that is the methanobacterium, is the methanobacterium. And where we are going to get these methanogens, in the sense methanogens are found in aerobic sludge during the sewage treatment, and also these methanogens are found in remain of the cattle, because whatever the cattle are going to eat food that is rich in cellulose, and these methanogens are going to break down this cellulose and helpful for the nutrition of cattle. Understood? So this is the basic. Now what is going to happen, in the sense ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಿಥಿನೋಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮಿಥಿನೋಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ how they are going to produce the biogas. Whatever the cow dung, ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ excreta, dung, cow dung or cattle dung, we are going to call it as excreta. This cow dung is what we are going to call as a rich in methanogens. It is rich in methanogens. Understood? And that we are going to call it as a commonly called this cow dung is gobar. We are going to call this cow dung is gobar. And this gobar is used for the production of biogas. So it is commonly called as a gobar gas ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ gobar gas ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That's why we are going to call commonly is to call biogas as a gobar gas, because we are going to use gobar for the production of biogas. Why we are going to use the gobar? Because gobar is rich in methanogens. What are the methanogens? Methanogens are the bacteria which are grow anaerobically on cellulosic material and produce the large amount of methane, carbon dioxide and H2. Understood? So this is about what the material we are going to use for the production of biogas. Now I am going to draw here the biogas plant. This is used for you people for the 5 marks question or 3 marks question. Here to draw a table diagram of biogas plant. Okay. Now I am going to draw biogas plant. I am going to draw the biogas plant. Now, simple is to draw first, and this biogas plant is underground. That you are going to make clear first. I am going to make clear underground is the clear and part and back. First you draw one tank like this. This is this one. Then you next you draw the is to construct this with the cement second part, right? Okay. Like this you should draw. Carefully note on the ending. Okay. take one outlet. This is something here. This is slush. This is going out. Okay. Here I used to draw from this cow dung water is to introduce. Okay, and whatever this part is there, so we are going to call as a digester. It's called as a digester. And here I am going to get H4, CO2, H2, like this. Gases. And from here we are going to get outlet of a biogas used as a fuel. Okay, is to take that further used as a fuel. Understood? So this is about what? The common biogas plant. Dung water is introduced in this way, then it goes into the digester, and whatever the sludge or what we are going to call as a slurry. Okay, here this is gas holder. This is gas holder. Right? Now, what else we are going to discuss regarding this biogas plant in the sense? They are given in a simple way in your book. The biogas plant is consist of a concrete tank 10 to 15 feet in deep. Okay, this is what concrete tank. Like this. This is the biogas plant. It is made or it is consist of a concrete tank that is how much? 10 to 15 feet deep. In which what we are going to go for? In which we are going to add the bio waste collectively called means or we are going to collectively call that as a slurry of dung. Okay, ಇದರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು cow dung ನ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟರ್ ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಈ ಬಯೋ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಯೋ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ means collectively we have to call it a slurry of dung and cow. And dung ನ ನಾವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. And on that this slurry what we are going to get? We are going to get one cover. ಆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ one cover ಐತಿ which keeps rising as a gas is produced in a tank. ಇದೊಂದು ಏನು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಐತೆ ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ? ಇಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೊದಲೇ ತೆಗೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ microbes. And the biogas plant has outlet. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಿದೆ? Biogas plant has a outlet. Biogas plant has a outlet, and which that what we are going to call it as a gas is come out, and that outlet is connected to the pipe. It is connected to the pipe to supply the biogas nearby house. ಇದೊಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೈಪ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಪೈಪ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಗೋಬರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪೈಪ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಏನ what for we are going to use that lightning ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವನ್ನ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Right? This is about what the use of biogas. And you all know about that in villages ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಳಷ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್ prepare the biogas, and that is used for the used as a fuel. That is used as a fuel, and also used as a fuel for cooking and lighting. And whatever the remaining slurry is there, in the slurry gas that is come out in the form of sludge, and this is used as a fertilizer. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೊಂದು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಲರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, that slurry is used as fertilizer. This is used as a fertilizer. Understood? So in such a way that the biogas production is going to take place in villages, right? So the question is going to ask you people, draw an table diagram of biogas plant. And this biogas plant, the technology of this biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the effort of whose effort is there behind the production of this biogas plant, in the sense that is Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Indian Agricultural Research Institute. And another thing is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Industries Commission. Khadi and what? Industries Commission. So these two institutions means what we are going to call it as this technology was developed by Indian Agriculture Research Institute and Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Okay, they are developed the biogas plant. And these two, what we are going to call that one as the technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the effort of Indian Agricultural Research Institute and Khadi and Village Industrial Communication. Now, what we used to do in the sense, I think all of you are seeing the biogas plant. Who are not seen in village naga ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸನೇಪಿನ ಊರಿನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವೇನಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ನಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ gases, and these gaseous end products are different types based upon the microbes are used the different kinds of organic substrate for their growth and metabolism. There are some bacteria, okay, which are grow anaerobically on a cellulosic material, and they are to produce the large amount of methane, CO2 and H2O. Collectively called them as a methanogen and methanobacterium. It is mentioned in your book, that is the common methanogen, which is useful for the production of methane, carbon dioxide and H2. And these methanogens usually found in what we are going to call that one as a found presence in a aerobic sludge during the sewage treatment, and also these are found in a rumen of a cattle, and these are rich in cow dung. That's what the technology which is developed in India, which was developed in India by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Another thing is Khadi and Village Industrial Communication. In that we are going to use the what cow dung as a biomass for the production of biogas. That's what the commonly the biogas called is a gobar gas. Okay, I'll stop here, and this is about the regarding today's class, microbes in production of biogas. Thank you.